Hi there, this video is about sublimation, the characteristic of non-melting solids. Let us start and define the term first. So sublimation, it is the conversion of a solid directly to gaseous state without entering the liquid state when heated or warmed is called sublimation. It is another phenomenon that involves the change in physical state of a subliming solid directly to gaseous state. Subliming solids, they never enter the liquid state. That's why they are called as non-melting solids also. So during sublimation, a solid directly converts into the gaseous state when it is warmed or heated. This direct conversion of such solid to gas is called sublimation. Same happens when vapors of such solid, they are cooled. They also directly deposit to solid without entering the liquid phase. Hence the change of gaseous state directly to solid is also called as sublimation or solidification. Now let us see the characteristics of subliming solids and why do the subliming solids, they do not enter the liquid state but directly convert into their gaseous state. Say it is an example of a subliming solid or non-melting solid, and this solid can be iodine, can be dry ice, which is solidified carbon dioxide called dry ice, can be ammonium chloride, can be benzoic acid. Formula of benzoic acid is C6H5COOH. Can be naphthalene. Formula of naphthalene is C10H8. Can be mothball, etc. This is sublimation, and this is a gaseous state of the subliming solid. Now why do the subliming solids, they not enter in the liquid state? The reason is that subliming solids, they have relatively weak attractions between their particles. So when they are warmed or heated, or they absorb heat energy from their warm surroundings, kinetic energy of particles of such solids abruptly increases. Because of that, molecular motion or motion of particles, it becomes so intense that solid does not find enough time to have the arrangement of its particles like true liquids. Thus the solid directly converts into its gaseous state without ever melting. Gaseous state without opposite happens when the gaseous state of such solids is subjected to cooling. If you liked the video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that upcoming video lecture on chemistry may not be missed. Sharing is requested too. Thanks for watching.